Hey everyone, Bob Thomas here from SnoreMouthpieceGuide.com. Today I'm going to do a comparison video between the SleepPro Easifit over on the right, and then on the left we have the SnoreDoc. Both of these are very simple boil and bite mandibular advancement devices. They're very similar in nature, and there are a few key differences. So let me go ahead and show you each one individually, then we'll put them side by side. So let's start out with the SnoreDoc. As you can see here, it's a one-piece boil and bite style mouthpiece. You're simply going to heat this up, bite down on it, and push out on your jaw. It's going to create this shape here. And when it cools, it's going to retain the shape. You're going to use this at night, wear it in your mouth, and it's going to keep the jaw forward, which is going to keep the airway tight and prevent snoring. The SnoreDoc has a small hole here at the front. That's for breathing. If you're a mouth breather, you're going to want to compare the breather holes of these devices before you make a purchase. This particular one, you're only looking at about $40, so it's relatively inexpensive. This is the SleepPro Easifit. It's also a boil and bite style. You're going to do this one the same way you would the SnoreDoc. You're going to heat it up, bite down on it, and push out. And this is the shape you're going to get. This one has a larger, actually two larger air holes at the front, so that's definitely a plus if you're a mouth breather. And it's very simple. You're looking at about $45 plus 8 shipping, so about $53 for the SleepPro Easifit. Side-by-side comparison here. Obviously, they're both different colors. The SleepPro is going to be blue, while the SnoreDoc is clear. They're both mandibular advancement devices. They both work the same way. You're going to heat them up and you're going to bite down. The key difference between these two has to do with the air hole here at the front. As you can see, the air hole of the SleepPro is quite a bit larger in comparison to the SnoreDoc. So you're going to get a lot better airflow with the SleepPro Easifit. Price-wise, you're looking at about $40 for the SnoreDoc, and you're looking at about $53 including shipping for the SleepPro. So about $13 difference. Aside from the price, the breather hole is the other main difference. So that was my comparison between the SleepPro Easifit and the SnoreDoc. For more comparison videos, you can check out my YouTube channel or you can check out my website at SnoreMouthpieceGuide.com.